Formatting worksheets in MS Excel. Part 4. Different tabs of format cells. Part 2. Font tab. The Font tab includes options for changing the font style, that is, bold, italic, and bold italic, size, and font color of the data inside the cell. The options for underlining, striking out, and displaying data as superscript or subscript are also available under this tab. The various formatting options for the font are also available on the formatting toolbar. Border tab. The various options under the Border tab can be to apply or remove borders around the selected range of data. You can also choose a line style, size, and a color for the border. There are various buttons under the Presets and Border to apply the selected border style. You can also apply or remove borders to the selected range of data alternatively by clicking on the Border button available on the Formatting toolbar. Click the arrow next to the Border button to show different border options. Fill tab. The Fill tab provides options for specifying the background color and patterns for the selected range of cells.